All right, good morning. It is Wednesday, March 29th. It's, what time is it? 7:47 a.m. Been up for a while. Slept good last night. Probably my best night of actual sleep on the trail. I feel a lot better today than I did yesterday. Whatever I had must have been just a little stomach bug, because I feel good today. I ate a Snickers bar for breakfast to give me some energy. 5 miles to Mount Laguna. That's the mission for today. And then there we're going to wait out storm that's coming in today and tomorrow. So rain expected 2 to 4 o'clock, and then converting to snow, and then snow Thursday, all day Thursday. So I'll be there tomorrow, which is kind of what they call in hiking world a Nero. So I'm gonna hike into town. Means you hike miles into a resupply, and then you stay the night, and then you would hike out the next day. That'd be a Nero. But I'm hiking in, staying the night, and then the next day I'm completely off trail and taking the day off. That's called a zero. And I know a lot of people will know all these terms, but a lot of my family and friends may not know what that means. If I say I'm taking a Nero or a zero, Nero is a day when you hike in town and then stay the night, but you've actually logged some miles in. A zero is when you don't hike any that day. Usually it's followed by like a Nero day. So that's the plan. Wait out the storm. Not in any big rush. Can't check in until 4. Rain's supposed to be there too. I plan on going to the Mount Laguna restaurant there and probably eat something, and then we'll see what happens from there. I'm almost packed up. I just got to put everything in my tent. Everything's kind of organized a little bit, even though it looks like chaos in here, but it always does. It won't take me long to throw all this together. There's no condensation on the tent. Didn't have any at all last night, so that's great. I can just pack it straight up and go. And then I'll have, if I get out of here by 9, I'll have 5 hours to make 5 miles. The terrain looks pretty cruisy, not cruisy, I wouldn't say that, but it doesn't, I don't have any major uphills. I think I have to climb maybe 500 total feet throughout the course of the 5 miles. So that's really not very much. I think that's what it is. I can't remember. But anyways, that's the opening video. I'm not sure how much video we'll have for this day. So, it's a short day. 5 miles is a short day, and hopefully it'll be an easy day into town and recovery. So anyways, when I get everything packed up and settled in, we hit the trail. I'll bring the camera back on. Camp number 5, camp day 5. Nice spot. Tent was right there. Pan around. Nobody else here. There were some people over the creek, but I felt bad and I never got to go over there and introduce myself or meet them. And they've been long gone. So, back on the trail. 5 miles to do before noon, or whenever the rain sets in. Hopefully it'll be a good trail and not too many ups. There's a nice camp spot. Not bad. About a mile past my spot. I had thought about this, but I was just too wore out yesterday. I think 3 miles on either side of Mount Laguna, like there's no camping. You have to stay in a state campground, which is closed right now. Or I think there's a private one, but it's like, I mean, just to pitch a tent I don't know, it's expensive for just, to me, for just a tent. I don't remember what it is. $26 maybe? But anyway, so people stay as close as they can to Mount Laguna and then hike in. And then get out the other side. Barely over a mile from my camp spot. Leaves me about 3 miles left to beat the storm. I'm on pace. It's 9:11. 4 miles and 3 hours. That mile was pretty easy. Downhill and flat, but I think I'm gonna start climbing from right here for a bit. Clouds moved through and it was kind of a mist, a little bit of rain just a couple of minutes ago, but they've moved on. I see blue skies over that way. You can see those clouds moving pretty fast. So thankful that my wife got me that reservation, so I have a place. I'm not sure what I'd do otherwise. Very first snow I've seen on the trail. It's not much, it just hadn't melted yet. Still climbing up the side of this mountain. About 3.5 miles from Mount Laguna. Got about 500 feet of climb left. Alright, got some moisture coming in right now. I keep going. Just had 2 forest rangers, super nice. Stop and check permits. It's starting to get colder too. I don't know if you can see that coming in. It's like a fine mist, rain. It's starting to get pretty chilly. I may have to stop and put my raincoat on. Starting to see some pine trees. Snow and amongst the pine trees over there. Storms coming in. Probably a couple miles out from Mount Laguna. I guess the race is on and I'm losing big time. I have to make a fourth quarter comeback. Make it in before I get too soaked. Either way, this is awesome. It really is. It's not miserable. This part is a lot better than yesterday. I'm doing good. Let me see what time. So it's 10:52. Been hiking 2 hours. I think most of it is pretty much downhill to Mount Laguna. Pretty good hike today for sure. This is a really cool area with these big pine trees. Nice. Trails, nice. We'll see how long it takes. Worried last night about how I felt, maybe being sick. I feel like I kind of had the chills when I went to bed. It was super cold, but it wasn't that cold. I slept the best I have slept on trail, and dreamed even a little bit. Just crazy. I don't remember what my dream was, but I know I dreamed. Trying to adjust a little bit to trail. Maybe I was just so exhausted. That's why I slept so good last night, and I didn't feel so good. Anyways, today felt really good. So there's a good hike. Finally got service up here. Just got through talking to my good buddy guy, and it meant the world to me. Just encouragement that he's always given me, and man means the world to me. Such a great person, such a true, honorable friend, a class guy. He just called me and left a voice message, and I called him back, and it was just like right at the right time to give me a little bit of boost here coming in. Probably a mile out now. So almost done for the day. Final push up to the Mount Laguna. Just took my rain jacket off. It was sweating. Now I started climbing back up, and it started raining again. Real light drizzle, and the wind is really blowing. Tired. Legs are starting to burn a little bit. Beautiful. I think I'm close. Penthouse Cafe and Tavern. Is that it? Made it. Laundry and snow here at Mount Laguna. This is why I'm staying in the hostel right there. There's 6 people in there, so I'm not going to do any video in there. But just to recap for tonight, it was what, 5 miles into Mount Laguna. I made it just as the storm hit. Just as it started raining. Outstanding dinner. With some great hikers. Got to meet a lot of people. This place is full. People sleeping on the floors if they can. Just so many hikers trying to take refuge here with the storm coming in. It's amazing. The food was excellent. The beer was really good. Couple of beers. Great coffee. Really good coffee. We sat in there and talked for at least 2 or 3 hours. Just, I mean, what are you gonna do? Is the hostel's really small. It's a tiny home with just 6 bunks. So yeah, into day 6, Mount Laguna tomorrow. 0 day here in Mount Laguna. Just kind of staying out of the weather, and so there probably won't be any video tomorrow. If there is, maybe snow video of how much it snows. It was a great hike today, and I appreciate everybody's support. It's crazy how many people have watching the channel or subscribed to the channel. That blows me away. I can't believe that. Wow. So yeah, leave a comment if you want to see something specific, or if there's a detail that you would like to know about on the hike or whatever. Just leave a comment and I'll try to get to that as soon as possible. But so coming to you here from Mount Laguna, outside the laundromat with the snow. Thank you so much for all your support. Appreciate everything, and man, it's just amazing. It's an amazing day. Crazy what this weather is. So thank you very much. Have a good night. And this is Laguna this morning. Whew. Headed over to the cafe to have some eggs and some hot coffee. That's where I stayed last night at the office. I didn't want to film in there because there's 6 other people that are in there. There's 6 bunks in there, 3 2-level splits. Worked out pretty good. Great, very nice people. It is definitely cold and snowy today. You can see all the hikers' packs lined up here, and then the little kitchen area, sink, coffee, microwave, little stove, fridge, and then 6 bunks, and then my spot right down here at the bottom, down there. This is our sign-in board. There I am. All right, just thought I'd give a little update on what our hostel. We were full. We had 6. Actually, we had 7. One stayed on a mat on the floor over here, slept over here. All right, so this was a 0 day. Relax. I did a resupply. Went to the store. Got some stuff there. Got to get it put away and then get ready for tomorrow. Head out tomorrow.